Welcome. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, move to the search pool and type iOS launcher. We can take it also from the quick list, and we have to download application from Routine Developer. Let's open. Accept permissions. Click on the home icon, select to remember my choice and tap on the iOS Launcher 14. And as you can see right now, we are able to use this launcher on our Xiaomi smartphone. And if you want to customize other things, you have to enter for this launcher and just change all of the settings. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.